Margins are under tremendous stress in the agricultural segment because it is a very, very price-sensitive segment. In terms of building and construction industry, it is a little bit more price inelastic because in the overall building industry, pipes and fittings contribute to approximately 1.5% to 2% of the overall capex. Essentially, the movement is towards organized market. Both have coexisted in the past, and both are going to coexist in the future. Both bring about different characteristics. Organized players are much more of a pan-India presence. Organized segment providing a lot more of technical support in terms of in what way the pipes and fittings have to be used. This segment and the unorganized segment are likely to reach about 60,000 crores by 2025. And this is a segment which has attracted a lot of interest in both the stock market and in terms of global players.
Economic growth is a thirsty business. As per a McKinsey report, by 2030, demand for affordable housing will exceed supply by 4 times. Water demand will double the supply. Demand for sewage treatment will be 3.5 times the supply. This will require efficient water management solutions using robust materials of construction for plumbing. CPVC is very versatile. It's suited for domestic and industrial use. So hot water and cold water applications, whether you have a villa or individual home or residential apartments, office complexes, commercial buildings, it's ubiquitous. In terms of heat resistance, ability to withstand high temperatures and maintain structural integrity while water as high as 93 degrees centigrade flows through it without any compromise on performance. It is odor-free, which means freedom from toxicity, odors, and tastes, thanks to its resistance to corrosion. Low bacterial growth. Due to the chemical makeup of CPVC and the smoothness of the pipe surface, it's much harder for harmful bacteria to latch onto it, making it a safer choice than other piping systems.
With PVC pipe, the wall thicknesses are lower. Since the wall thicknesses are lower, which means more flow of water per square meter. Similarly, it is much lighter in weight. A normal ductile iron pipe, 6 meter of 100 mm weighs around 48 kilograms, whereas a 110 mm PVCO pipe weighs around between 8 to 9 kilograms only, making it much easier to install in the field. Initially, the total number of households that was planned to have rural household connection was 19 crores, of which 3 crore households were already having water connections in 2019, which left around 12 crore connections to be given to various rural households in our country at an outlay of 8 lakh crores, which was of course a moving target because as we saw, Prime Minister had initially approved a budget of 3.5 lakh crores, which was ramped up to 8.01 lakh crores over last 5 years.
Reliable jointing of mechanism and longer pipelines. Jal Jeevan projects, it is any 4 inches pipe, if it is there, 200 meters continuation single line will be there. If it is a 63 mm, 400 meters can be continuation lines or jointing like that. It's a specific application area. Replacement of PVC pipe in agriculture sector is bit difficult to any alternative material as PVC is the most economical polymer. If the price of PVC increased, there is a competition from immediate PE, particularly segment in 2022. The demand as for K67 as grade was resin impacted certain application. The replacement of PVC with HDP.